The error code F77 on the Miele coffee machine indicates that the ceramic valve is not functioning correctly, which is often caused by a faulty ceramic valve. To fix this issue, resetting the machine is a good starting point. Turn the unit off, remove the power cord, and leave it for 2 hours before plugging it back in and turning it on to see if the error is resolved. If not, checking the ceramic valve is the next step. This involves turning off the unit at the circuit breaker, then manually adjusting the motor block pin. The white part of the ceramic valve should be positioned on the stainless steel pin, ensuring the white ceramic ring and its double cam support points align with the black ceramic disc, which is located at the bottom of the coffee machine. The black ceramic disc should fit the driver, and the white ceramic disc should be inserted, making sure the black top noses interact well with the ceramic disc bulges. The black cap can be placed with most connections facing downwards and the inlet facing upwards on the left side. Once these steps are completed, the coffee machine can be reassembled and turned on to determine if the error has been resolved.